Hello, welcome back to my channel. We have already seen how to draw thread from fabric, how to sew the starting point and how to do hem stitch and ladder hem stitch. Today let us learn how to do zigzag hem stitch in drawn thread. For this I am using 2 strands of white embroidering thread. You can also use color thread. We will work from right to left. Start at right end of the drawn thread just below the drawn thread area. Pass the needle through some 8 to 10 threads and take it out. Now insert the needle again in the same drawn thread area and take it out at a point below in the fabric like this and pull over. We have finished the first hem stitch. I have already taught you how to do this hem stitch and I have shared the link in the description. If you have missed that previous video, you can go to the link in the description. See once again, insert the needle and pass the needle through 8 to 10 threads. Again insert in the same point and take it out in the fabric just below. And in this same method we will finish the row completely with hem stitch. And this is the basic stitch for all drawn thread embroidery work. After finishing the full row completely, we'll come to the opposite side. Pick half of the threads in the first stitch and half of the threads in the second stitch and pass the needle through it. Then insert the needle in the drawn thread area and take it out just below in the fabric and you will get a hem stitch. And you can see zigzag stitches. And repeat these 2 steps again and again. Pick half of the threads in the first stitch and half of the threads in the second stitch. And pass the needle through it. Then insert the needle in the drawn thread area and take it out in the fabric just below. And we will repeat these 2 stitches again and again and we will be getting zigzag stitches continuously. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have shared all other embroidering video links in the description. If you like this video, share with your friends, click the like button. And if you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.